If you are struggling to upload your video or your video is stuck during the upload process, there might be a various factor behind the issue. So let's understand the possible reason and the precaution you can take during the upload process. First off, understand that YouTube is a well-maintained video sharing platform in the world, and there is a negligible chance that your video is stuck due to a malfunction in YouTube's algorithm. Billions of videos are uploaded to YouTube server without an issue, so there is a 99% chance the issue is on your side. Issue during rendering your video. It is possible and high chance that there was a bug or lag during a rendering process of your video. If your video is stuck or freeze at any point during playback, it could lead to incomplete uploads or error during the YouTube upload process. To avoid this, check your rendered video thoroughly before uploading. Ensure that the rendering software has successfully completed the process without any interruption, and export the video in a format supported by YouTube, such as MP4 with H.264 encoding. Internet issue. Internet connection plays a major role in upload success. If your Wi-Fi or internet connection is unstable, it can cause upload to fail. Check if your connection is active or verify your internet speed. A high download speed with a slow upload speed may be responsible for upload issues. Upload interruption. If the upload process was interrupted, for example, if your browser closed unexpectedly or your computer went to sleep, the upload might stop. To avoid this issue, ensure your computer remains active during the upload and prevent interruption by keeping the browser window open. Insufficient device resources. Chances is very low, but low memory or CPU on your computer can affect the upload process. Close unnecessary programs to free up your system resources and improve upload speed. Temporary YouTube server issues. YouTube servers may occasionally experience downtime or high traffic. In such cases, wait for a few minutes and try re-uploading your video later. So these are some of the common issues that most creators face when their video gets stuck during upload. By keeping these key factors in mind, you can prevent the video upload issue from occurring. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe.